Hey, guess what?
Chicken butt.
Shuts it off. What?
Is it even on to begin with?
Oh, you got the spider on you now. Yo, Dennis. You know that spider that you didn't like? It's over here. Like, right there.
Yeah?
You ever light it up?
We're not talking about the gun.
Yo, can we just light up your gun? Oh, we can?
Wait, what happened? Oh.
Okay, don't. Oh. Yo, can we just light up your gun? Right? Oh.
Just whip it at someone.
Who's not pointing your gun in the sand?
Is that the same spider from Bravo?
Yep.
Oh, don't hit me in
Hey!
my direction, dickhead.
Where is it?
Oh my god. Hey, call it good.
So it's spraying the ground. Move it! No, I'm not standing in that area. No.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
No.
I'm okay. It's a big ass spider. I'm good. It's a team effort.
Horn! Horn! Ah, GG's, whatever. Game's done. We're done.
You got the flag?
Yeah. Yo! That's a tie.
What?
Let's go! We had the flag! Oh,
Yeah. You should have lost.
so we won. They had our flag too, by the way. Everyone hates the French. Even the French hate the French. No. Bro, the fact the French hate the French is funny. Huh? Let's get him! It's like shooting fish in a barrel, but instead of a school. I know I got 2 of you for that joke. Not one step back. Yeah, the whole team went to the woods. Woo!
Whoa, that was spicy.
If I'm behind you, you're gonna get hit first, so just cover.
Just like the Russians do.
5 men, 1 gun.
Yeah. Go my mag too.
Yeah, I was about to say. Okay, this is not what I like.
One moving right side.
Okay, we need to get the building. Let's go.
Yeah, bro, you got it. You got the assault kit.
Let's get that barricade there, me and you. Good.
Man, I'm on the LPVO. You got this. You got the rush.
I know. No, this guy right there. Far right, very far.
Yeah, I see him.
Hit him. Oh, there's a wind. Nobody's killing each other now.
What was that? Reloading.
Don't worry, there's so much wind. You can just stand in the middle.
Holy fuck, someone take my small. Oh, there's so many people.
I got him. Pull your pistol.
Yo, what are y'all? Get the fuck out of here.
Okay, last 2 get out.
I'm also indexing my maps. Oh, shit, it's getting cozy, dude.
Alright, we need to get though.
Are they all? They are all in the hood there.
I might move back there. Shoot me, you're gay! Let's do it!
He's shooting it through the skin and I can't do anything. You getting free fire, man?
Well, it kind of is funny if you think about it.
You getting free fire? Right side of skin, side house.
Oh, yeah. Oh!
Oh, fuck.
Yo, ref!
You good?
I don't know how to explain this, but
Oh, your spool's broke.
yeah. Wanna come take along? We can use you as cover. Come here.
Use you as cover.
No! Oh god. Oh. Oh god. Clean it, clean it, clean it. Clean, 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 clean. Okay, we're safe. Ah, hit! Okay. We're good.
My gun is not shooting.
I dropped my gun on the floor.
You have a shotgun?
Yeah.
Ooh, the mouse. That's nice.
It is a 20-round gun. That's how we balling today.
Just so we know, the bomb is right there. Guys that round.
Hey, Brett.
The bomb is in our tree line right here.
Oh damn.
One guy came
Okay,
throw it on
good.
the corner and it was there like
Uh,
you're ready to light them up. He's fine! Go!
oh, that hit me in the head, bro. God damn.
Someone shot me.
It's got domed.
I got a 20-round burst gun. Yeah. All right, guys. Let's kick some ass and chew some bubble gum. I'm all out of bubble gum. I say that at least once.
We're throwing like 4 smokes.
Wait, what?
You have a smoker in it?
No, I don't have one, but I'll throw one.
Without smoke?
Oh, you're gonna have one, but you're gonna throw it.
Are you doing it now?
Get it.
Yeah, as soon as the game starts, yeah.
Yo, pass me one. I'll chuck one into you.
Location
Directly fucking that way.
Alright.
Right at that building.
Okay,
right
you
at
guys
that
ready?
building.
Do not
Like
pull
building?
upwards.
Yeah, I know.
Sideways, sideways.
Someone take a video.
I have it on foot. I'll just, hey. I'll have like a first-person view beside you.
I'll throw maybe to the right of it.
Oh, fuck, I
Throw
gotta
another
go
one down
behind
there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, cool.
All right.
Line!
Fuck, we're all doing it?
Fuck yeah!
Bro, my lungs are gonna cough.
go for 15 seconds though, apparently, right?
Let it spark out and then throw it out.
You have a smoke first.
Anybody want to hit some badass pictures? Do it now.
Pull it to the side, yeah?
Yeah, I think you pull it like horizontally.
And if you don't, grab a match, throw it in there, then throw it.
So
I've done that before.
In 4 different areas or what?
Pretty much like this.
Just spread it
Here, middle, left, middle, right, and then right.
Yeah, I'll put left to the building there.
Watch this
Hey,
inside.
watch them all trucking on the floor by accident.
Yeah,
They just hit all the bushes here.
Like past that building there.
They're
yeah,
gonna,
just
they're
a little
gonna see
bit
us
of
right away. So get. Are they?
Following you guys, man. I don't know what the hell's going on here.
Okay,
Go, boys.
okay. Poof it up, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake it, shake it.
Oh, Kelly.
Oh my god!
Chuck it, chuck it, chuck it! Chuck it! That was horrible!
Worst throw I've ever done, boys.
We have one good throw.
Mark, take your phone!
Why are we all in one area? Yo, I love that color. Whoever's got gray is cool.
Shit, look at all the smoke!
Ow!
Oh, you already got shot, eh?
What the hell was that?
These nuts. Yo, you can't see anything. Hey. Let's just all let's just all yo, we're all just gonna camp in the building. I'm running with you, I have a shotgun.
We're gonna get lit the fuck up.
I know.
Where's James?
Right here.
Go, let's go this way. Don't jam on me.
Oh, they're coming back.
Ugh. My gun jammed. Oh. No, you're not. Huh?
I hit on the battlefield, brother.
Oh, that one's.
Oh shit. Is it supposed to do that?
No. Single action Glock. All right. Oh.
Hit. Ja, det har brännat.
No, hey, you can't say. Good, here.
I'm hit. Oh. I'm fucking out of gas.
Bro, did I shoot you at the end? Oh, hey, wait, come here, I'll tell you. Don't shoot it, don't even try to tell the guy. I think you got like 3, you even got 4 guys.
Shit, bro.
Bro, I legit turned,
bro. I ran out of gas.
bro, I legit turned around, saw you, and I don't know if did I get you?
Yeah.
Bro, you skipped the balls. I went like this and then turned around and I saw you. I'm like, no.
I was like, pop, and I fucking tried to run back, bro.
Good job.
Let's go.